Hello lovely souls, join us for this one-off creative moment, a magical tree swipe made with the brilliant artists of Newquay Art Society. Thank you so much to my subscribers and my lovely members. Your support truly means the world. So welcome to my channel and enjoy the banter on this one-off video where the questions and gentle music appear as our tree comes to life. Creativity grows with every single swipe. It's a 6-minute cosmic tree swipe and fun fluid art commentary with the Newquay Art Society. I'll see you towards the end.
Any of those sizes. Just got a bit mucky, isn't it?
This is a tree.
Yes. How is it a tree? Well, that's where patience comes in. It will appear.
It will appear.
And if you like, you can do the branches.
Like magic.
Yeah.
So is that like kind of alright speed?
All the way to the end.
Yeah, lovely.
Let it land for a second. And then just put it along at a certain.
Oh wow. Yeah.
And then let it slide down.
Yeah.
And then just pull. That's it. Magic.
Oh wow. Yeah, it wasn't really strong.
I'm just going to use this a second. Yeah. Put that down, for example. Let it gather paint and just go about this sort of speed. And then let it fall down the side. Yeah.
And it's almost like you're saying that you can't really get it wrong because there's not a right.
No, that's exactly it.
Actually, it's lovely what's going on down the side of the canvas. Big as well.
Ah.
I'll do the wiggle like this other guy did.
They've got different layers coming through with blue. So you've got your turquoise and black. That's it. Oh, look at that. Different again.
No, it didn't go as far.
Right down the side. Swipe out. That's it.
Oh,
All my fingers. I've got cocktails still.
Ah, okay. Those are your.
Well, it's black on that side, isn't it?
Oh, the pink's disappearing.
I
Just
know.
finish this off then. So let paint glide away.
Would it develop differently? Say you had the black on and then you just say put the gold and the bronze on and then swiped it out and then put another colour on and swiped it out.
The hair dryer needs to be used.
I will do it on a tile. Just to show you. Okay, so the tree trunk by using a palette knife. I don't really want to really disturb those cells.
Get your paintbrush on it. But
Yes.
yeah, it's not a paintbrush.
Yeah. So I might do something like
Oh
pick
wow,
up
look at
some of the
that.
light
Oh yeah, yeah.
and go through it like that.
Oh wow.
You can start to get someone else to trying it for the first time.
Oh, it doesn't really. I'm not really getting enough.
of an indentation.
I'm not really getting enough
No.
paint on it.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, isn't that lovely? Look at that.
Very cool.
Wow, I love the cells. Look at that blue.
Anybody else want to go with palette knife?
Yeah, you must have a go at the palette knife. It's lovely.
Very. I'll do it upside down. So I'm doing it upside down. So that's the top of the tree, isn't it? And you just like hold it literally. I've got one of these. One of these.
Yeah, or you could go like that up, or yeah, however you want to.
Like that. Yeah. Maybe it's a bit too. And then you do. So I'm doing literally.
But is it interesting
Yeah,
when
it
you're
is.
used to doing it a certain way?
Yeah.
You go to do it and you see what effect that has. And you can pick up different colours. Why are these cells not going all over?
Because it's only just interesting.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
It moves it.
I'll put it in here. That's brilliant.
Yeah, you're so much detail.
I'm gonna just turn it that way. So you can.
No, you can't pick it up, darling, and show it to everybody like that. Yeah.
It just looks better that way, doesn't it? And she's such a It's very lovely. Yes. Yeah.
But it's so good.
That's brilliant. Oh yes, oh you put some spin on it. So you can like literally layer the colours and flip it off. It's very tactile, you can literally just scrape the paint back on.
What an amazing group. We created the most magical tree swipe together, hands flying, giggles flowing, and the creativity blooming. Thank you for letting me share this little slice of joy, the dear people at the Newquay Art Society. I got it home, it's dry, and this painting is yours. So thank you all for being here today. And don't forget that your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.
Look in your eyes, I can see a life together. Standing by